Let me show you easily the best extremely affordable wireless earphones that you can currently purchase. So, and this is what the box on them actually look like. And inside the box we actually get the earphones itself in actually very nice packaging, a quick manual on how to basically connect and use them, and also a spare tips. So actually get 4 extra tips. So in this video we will basically go over the build quality on them, the sound quality, like check out the app and also how they perform wirelessly, as well as comfort and also microphone test. And this is what the case of them looks like. So actually when we take them in hand and touch and feel them, they actually feel very premium. So definitely way more premium than the price suggests really. And when we open the case, again they actually look really decent. Definitely the build quality and overall design is actually really impressive on these. And this is what the buds itself look like. So actually they are kind of tiny, as you can see. And overall I'm actually totally impressed actually by how these earphones actually feel, and when actually open and close the case they actually feel really decent. So definitely more premium than actually the price suggests. So you can see they're actually properly finished everywhere, and again you actually have a very soft touch feel basically when you use them in hands and operate with them basically. And also let's check out the earphones themselves, maybe in up close as well. So basically these actually go like totally in your ear compared to other earphones. But as you see, the size is actually very tiny on these. So you have a hole for the microphone on these as well. One more hole for the microphone, I guess. And yeah, they actually look pretty decent. And when it comes to the battery life, these plain models actually get almost 8 hours. So when you simply take out your earphone, this can last for 8 hours before it can actually needs to be recharged basically. And with this case, they can last for 36 hours basically. So you can recharge them like maybe like 5 times using this case, or maybe like 4 times, something like that. And when it comes to the specs, they also have 10mm like drivers, so these tiny speakers that actually produce sound. And the cost basically what I purchased these for is only like $11, so they're actually incredibly cheap. And for this price you really can't get even better quality earphones than these. So actually I was really surprised by the overall quality. Also, if you actually compare the build quality on these cheaper play models versus a bit more active models, I would say these actually feel more premium. For example, on the active, the case actually feels kind of cheap, and yeah, the overall feeling actually isn't nowhere near as good as on the cheaper ones. So again, build quality, top marks. Next, when it comes to the sound quality, I'm actually equally impressed basically on these. So we have to consider these only cost like $10 or $11. So, and usually at that price earphones doesn't sound good, but these actually sound literally like absolutely great. So if you basically compare them even to more expensive earphones, these actually would sound just as good or even better than some more expensive sounding earphones. So actually the sound is actually very decent on these. Also the clarity is decent on them, also like bass as well. So, and also the overall volume again is actually really decent. However, these earphones actually do not get active noise cancellation, unlike more expensive like Redmi Buds actually. Also on the app itself you can adjust various audio effects on here, so you can even enhance them, so depending on what kind of music you are actually listening. So these actually have also a really decent app, and in the app also we can even find these earphones as well. So basically they will start to play like a sound basically, so and if you listen very careful you can basically even find them actually really cool. And also these earphones actually have touch controls as well, so you can see basically what you can perform on them basically, and you can see what options you can basically get them. So you can simply touch this part basically in various ways, and that will control the earphones. Again, yeah, for this price and the technology this has and the great app and the sound quality, yeah, absolutely I'm completely blown away. And when we compare the sound quality against more expensive Redmi Buds 6 models, I would say these are actually like few percent better than the active model. So when it comes to sound quality, as these actually have a different design, these are actually more comfortable, but overall I actually prefer the sound quality on these cheaper ones. If you compare to the more expensive ones, then definitely, yeah, these actually sound like more clear basically. So these actually have better clarity, but still these actually perform really well, and these cost like 2 times more. So overall, if you actually are basically aren't like super hardcore music like listener, then yeah, these really are just fine. But if you want maybe like the top sound quality you can get, maybe get the light models. These still aren't like that more expensive. They cost like $20, so but still obviously 2 times more. And yeah, sound quality is actually, yep, thumbs up basically. When it comes to the comfort, however, I'm actually not that impressed when it comes to the comfort on these. And actually, when you compare the other Xiaomi Buds 6, I find the like light model and also this active model actually more comfortable. So you can see they actually have like a different shape. So these are actually stuffed inside basically in this small, so they're made to be very comfortable, and basically they go in your ear. Personally, when I actually like put them in my ear, I can feel like tiny pressure basically that they exert on my ear. Also sometimes yeah, you have to actually kind of struggle a bit to actually get them in properly and make sure they actually stay in properly. So definitely when it comes to comfort, actually these more expensive ones and even the active models also are more comfortable, but still, yeah, once you get them in, they're probably just fine, really. And this is a microphone test on the Xiaomi Buds 6 Play, and this is what they sound like. So currently they actually are inside in my ears, and I'm simply talking. And this is again what they sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And this microphone test when you actually take them out of your ears and maybe keep them around 20 centimeters away from your mouth. So maybe if you want to use these as wireless microphones while maybe shooting some videos, you can actually use these for this purpose as well. And this is what they sound like. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And overall, actually, I'm super impressed in these earphones, especially when you consider what they actually cost. So the build quality is absolutely top notch on these, so they actually feel very premium. They also have very decent sound quality, so actually if you get them and basically do not even compare to like for example the more expensive ones, you will be extremely satisfied with the sound quality. So, and no one really would complain about the sound quality on these. Also the app is great, and the wireless performance also is actually really good. So when you use them, basically, for example, they actually connect super fast to the app and any phone or any device basically. And also the range is actually really decent. The comfort, maybe again I prefer that comfort on other earphones, but maybe for your ears it's a bit different, not sure. Also very great battery life, and also the microphone is actually decent enough on these. So when it comes to microphones, usually on these cheap earphones you actually do not get like such a good microphones. Usually they're completely terrible, but these are actually still usable. By the way, I'm actually really trying to grow this channel. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you, and good luck everyone.